Hi, in this video I will show you how to use the limit feature on the Instagram. So this is the new feature by the Instagram. So first of all, open your Instagram mobile application and log into your account. Once you will log into your account, from here you have to click on your profile icon from the right bottom. And now you have to click on the three lines on the right top and click on the settings from here. And after that you have to click on the privacy, and in the privacy you will see limits option. Tap on it. Right now it's turned off. You can simply click on the turned on. Also you can set your limit for. Tap on it. You have to select our days from here. Select according to your choice and click on the set reminder, and after that click on the turn on. So in this way you can use the limit feature on the Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.